In this video tech tip, I'll show you a couple of ways you can customize your SOLIDWORKS interface with 3DEXPERIENCE lifecycle and collaboration commands. So over at the top of the Feature Manager's design tree, there is an arrow that opens up and typically shows the display pane, which is where users can hide and show components, change their transparency, and access other display settings. In a recent update to 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS and Collaborative Designer for SOLIDWORKS, the Lifecycle and Collaboration tab was added. When you switch to this tab, it's going to show you the cloud save status for your files, as well as the lock and unlock status and revision information. With these quick, accessible icons to the left, I can then shrink this task pane down on the right and open up more room for modeling. Another way to access lifecycle and collaboration tools is to add in the new toolbar, lifecycle and collaboration. Right? And these give you access to some of those 3DEXPERIENCE commands. And just like any other toolbar, this can float on its own anywhere in your SOLIDWORKS window, or it can be anchored around the edges of your SOLIDWORKS screen. And lastly, to access all of your 3DEXPERIENCE commands, you can come to the Customize window at the top of your screen, head over to the Commands tab, and search for a specific command like lock. And here we can see we have the lock and unlock commands. Or, I'll clear out the search. You can also scroll down to the lifecycle and collaboration commands. So these are some of the things you can do while connected to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. A good one to have handy might be the reload from server command, which I can drag and drop out of the Customize window onto my command manager at the top of the screen, or perhaps I will put it above that, the top bar of the SOLIDWORKS window. And just as a reminder, you can always find these commands by performing a command search in the upper right corner of your screen. So for example, if I search for the word share, I can then share this file as a 3D or share this file as a picture to one of my 3DEXPERIENCE 3D Swim communities.